Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to get rid of the blue frames or blue borders around a hotspot or image map using either Dreamweaver or Adobe Fireworks. Okay, I've looked on a lot of message boards because I actually had this problem, and I looked on a lot of message boards online which they gave a couple of answers, but I see people were not as satisfied as they would be. Okay, after researching a lot online and through trial and error, I finally figured out something that had to do with the HTML code. Okay, what I mean by blue lines is, let me show you, okay? I already made my hotspot. Okay, as you can see, I put my link in, my alternate description, and I want to target it as a blank web page when it's clicked. Okay, what I mean by the blue hotspot is, as you can see here, if I click on Call Us Now, but now if I go back to that web page, you can see there's a blue border or blue outline around the actual hotspot. Okay, we don't want that. I just tried this in Chrome browser. Here it is. If I click it, you see already, it opens up in Google, but as you can see, it left a really weird line on here. Okay, we don't want that. Okay, so I'm going to show you how to get rid of that. Okay, so here we are, we're back. We still have our hotspot that we created. Okay, we're going to leave everything the way it is, google.com, contact us, and we're going to open the window in a blank, fresh new window. Okay, so we're going to click on File, Image Preview, and we're going to choose a GIF. Okay, I like to keep 256 maximum number of colors, and we're not going to change anything else here. Okay, so we're going to choose GIF, Adaptive, and 256. That's normally what I do. And we're going to click on Export. We're going to choose a folder. I made a folder called Test. I named it Sample, and we're going to make sure we export it as HTML and images. Okay, we're not using CSS or Dreamweaver, we're just using a regular HTML page, and we're going to export our image with it. Okay, so we're going to click on Save. Okay, now let's get the screen lower. Now what we're going to do, we're going to go to our folder. We're going to right-click on the sample. We're going to open it in Notepad. Okay, let's see. Okay, we're going to change some code. Let me see if I can zoom in on this. Okay, as you could see here, here's the name of our image name, our source, which is sample.gif, and then here's our measurements, the width and the height. Okay, as you can see here, it says border 0, which is why we should not be getting that blue line. However, I don't know why that happens on some browsers. Firefox usually it doesn't happen to, but it is showing up on Internet Explorer and Chrome browser. Okay, what we're going to do is, we could see here, these are the coordinates of our hotspot. Okay, so what we're going to do, I'm going to type in the code that you need to use. Right after that, we're going to add an additional line of code. Okay, so we're going to click space, on click equals, open quotation, blur, open parenthesis, close parenthesis, and then close quotation. Okay, and then that's it. So this is what we added. Okay. Okay, and then we're just going to click save, and now we're going to close it. Okay, so let's try this again now. Let's see if this works. We're going to right click it, and we're going to open it in Chrome. Okay, let me zoom in. I'm going to click on it. And you see our blue line is gone now. Okay, now we're going to close this out, and we're going to try Internet Explorer. Sample, click on it, and as you can see, it goes away. Okay, so that should resolve your problem. It has worked perfectly for me. All it is you're adding that extra line of code, and that's it. Okay, if you have any questions, please subscribe to my Twitter at Krista Wells, and I will be adding a lot of ed tech videos, especially when it comes to designing websites and Google sites. Okay, thank you. Bye.